If you are still pasting content into Claude one chunk at a time, you are working harder than you need to. Claude Cowork is an agent mode inside the Claude desktop app that reads your actual files, browses the web, and completes multi-step tasks on its own. Here is how to set it up and put it to work today. Open the Claude desktop app on your Mac or Windows machine. At the top you will see 3 tabs: Chat, Code, and Cowork. Click Cowork. Note that this feature requires a paid Claude plan, so make sure you are logged into your account. The first thing Cowork needs is a working folder on your computer. Point it at the folder that holds the files relevant to your task, a reports folder, a client folder, wherever your actual work lives. Cowork can read, edit, and create files inside that folder, so choose a folder you already work in. Before you type your first task, set your global instructions. Tell Claude your role, your preferred writing style, and any hard rules like never deleting files without confirming. Cowork has no memory between sessions by default, so these instructions make sure it knows who you are every single time it starts. For ongoing work, drop a file called memory.md into your working folder. Write down your project context, key decisions, and anything Claude will need to pick up where you left off. At the start of each session, tell Cowork to read that file first and you will have seamless continuity across days and weeks. Now type your task in plain language, for example, summarize all the PDFs in this folder into a one-page briefing. If your task involves pulling from Slack, Gmail, Notion, or GitHub, tap the plus button to add those connectors before you submit. This is what makes Cowork genuinely powerful for real business workflows. Before Cowork does anything, it shows you its plan. Read every step carefully, especially if any step modifies or creates files. This is your most important safety check. If something looks off, edit the task or cancel and refine your instructions before you approve. Once you approve, Cowork runs the task and logs each step as it goes. When it finishes, open the output file and review it before it goes anywhere else. Cowork can make mistakes just like any AI tool, so a quick human check before you send or publish is always worth the 60 seconds. Here is where Cowork really earns its keep. Type the /schedule command followed by your task and a cadence, like every Monday morning. Cowork will run that task automatically on the schedule you set, so your weekly report, your inbox summary, or your competitor research just appears without you lifting a finger. To recap, open Cowork in Claude Desktop, point it at your working folder, set global instructions and a memory file for continuity, add connectors as needed, always review the plan before approving, and use /schedule to automate recurring tasks. Pick one repetitive task you do every week and try this workflow on your own files today. You will not want to go back.